Welcome to another video tutorial. Well, many students often ask me which software I use and how to record high quality screen recording for teaching and training videos. So honestly, as technology is improving, my studio is also evolving. How earlier I used to have heavy lights, big teleprompter and complicated setup. Now I am using a chair, table, and a simple light because of I am using now Wondershare DemoCreator. It gives all those features, screen recording and camera integration in one place without need of anything special. So let me introduce you the different features of Wondershare DemoCreator. So here is Wondershare DemoCreator in my Mac. So here are video recording option and here is video editing option. So first we can explore video recording option, and as here you can see in the video recording you can use your screen and your integrated cam or your attached cam, and you can also use to record your only camera, and then you can use your own recording in the form of audio, and you can also directly use your iOS device as well. So first I will explore which I often use, the screen and camera. So once you will click on this, you will see here you have a complete screen, and from here you can choose different options again. If you only want to switch between camera, audio, and iOS device, and from here you can choose different sizes. Whether you want full screen or you want to use your custom screen, you can capture a window. Or if you want the dimension of YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and standard, whatever you want to use, you can simply use your favorite screen dimensions. And from here, you can see we have, if you want to use your recording presents, if you want to use smart zoom option, so you can use it. And then you have whether you want to highlight your cursor, so you can switch in between, and then whether if you want to show you the hotkeys, whatever you are using in the keyboard, and if you want to show them, so it will simply highlight. And if you want to turn on AI voice cleaner as well, so you can simply turn on and turn off here. And here is my favorite part, which is actually the teleprompter. You can see I often start with like welcome to another video tutorial. Let's suppose this is your video script, and sometime the it is difficult to speak all the sentences together, so you can write your script in the form of this, and you can simply turn on this play button, so it will go line by line, and from here you can directly control the speed, and from here you can control the text size. You can do text alignment, whether in the middle, left, or right. And the more interestingly, this will not come in the screen option as long as this play button is started. And then once you are ready, you can click on this button to start. And then from here, if you want to switch between your cameras, whether you want to use iPhone, so you can also use your direct iOS device as well as camera. And from here, you can switch between the different microphones. Like now I am using my USB condenser microphone. And from here, if you have any external speaker attached, you can also do as well. And here are the different options, like whether you want your files where you want to store. By default it's stored in the documents, and from here you can select the different frame rate. If you want to store your video in the form of 4K, so you can select 60 frame per second, and if you want 8K, then you can select 120 frame per second. And then from here you can select the different options for your webcam. I mean, here is the resolution. I mean, I am currently using this one. And from here, the webcam, you can also select the different frame per seconds. And here we have the shortcuts. So, I mean, then from here, we can select the different option for our face. You can see here we have, I mean, the simple round. I mean, if I can show you here, the border is white and here the border is color. So I mostly like to have this color. Might be you have noticed in my previous videos. And from here, you can have the different options like whatever you want to choose in the form of rectangular. So let's go back to the circular, which I often like. And here, if you want to remove your background, so with simple one click you can remove your background. I mean, it is simple and handy, and from here you can just simply flip it if you want. And here is AI beauty filter if you like. I mean, if you want and you are careful about your skin toning, I mean, from here you can simply, with one click, you can turn on and off. And from here, you can see the changes with AI and without AI. And even you have the different options for like skin brightening, face slimming, plump, chin size. Once your script is ready, and simply you can click on this record button and you can play your script as well. So you can see once you are done, you can click on this. So, and now if you have done with your recording, you can simply click on this button. So it will save your recording directly into this demo creator. If you need to change something, you can simply change, or otherwise you can directly export them wherever you need. So let's, and you can see, if we can see in this folder, so you can see our high quality screen recording is there. So now let me take you to the video editor option. So once you will go to this video editor, so you can see here we have the different recording of which we have previously done. So you can simply drag and drop your recordings here. So here you see we have now our screen recording, camera recording, and the cursor, everything is different. And now if you want to use your magic tool, I mean with the help of AI, so you can also use as well. But let me introduce you the templates. So if you have your PPT and you want to use it for recording purpose, so you can add your video directly here, and you can use annotations, I mean, for teaching. And even you have the video effects like the green screen, AI portrait, and you have then audio effects. I mean, you can use AI voice cleaner, you can use AI denoising, and you can use AI voice changer if needed. And here are the different cursor effects if you want to apply. And here are the different pan and zoom options. Here are the different transitions. I mean, if you know editing, I mean, these things are mostly comes with other Wondershare Filmora options. And more interestingly, if you want to AI denoising option, if you like, and here is the voice AI voice cleaner option, which will automatically change your voice if you like. So once everything is done, you can simply export your video in the form of your favorite format. So at the end, I would like to compare it with other available screen recording software. So let's compare its price with one of the famous, although previously in Windows I was using Bandicam, but in Mac you often heard about the Camtasia, and if we take the comparison of its price, so you can see Wondershare DemoCreator is actually for Windows and Mac and Chrome both. I mean, for everything you can see, you can get it in 59.99 for yearly plan, and for perpetual plan you can get it in almost $70. But in comparison to the Camtasia, you can see the Camtasia is almost 3 times. And if you want to buy Camtasia Essentials, so it is 143.90 per year. And here is Camtasia Create, which is almost 200 per year. And if you want to go with Camtasia Pro, which include the AI, transcript, and captions, everything, DemoCreator gives you all the experience. I mean, you can record like a pro and add it with AIs. So you can record your camera, and you can add text effects, and you can experience the power of AI in recording and editing. And similarly, you can use AI teleprompter and AI background remover, and all in one video recording. And even you can add the subtitle as well, and you can also use YouTube thumbnail maker. So hopefully now you will have idea which option is good for you if you want to start your screen recording tutorials as well. If you have any question in the use of DemoCreator, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.